Let's talk about S11. Yes, S11 is coming out very soon. So we're going to talk about what is inside the S11. What are the rumors, all right? So let's get the video rolling. It's going to come out very soon. Maybe even within 3 months, all right? There's so many informations about S11 you got to know about it. First of all, they're going to come out with 3 type of S11. According to my notes, it says 6.2 or 6.4 and 6.7 and 6.9. So that means there's going to be a S11 bigger screen than the Note 10 Plus. Secondly, there's going to be 5 camera lens. According to the source, one of the camera lens is going to be same as the Note 10 Plus. Depth first for camera, so it's going to create that the live focus shots much better, okay? But the other 4 lenses is going to be ultra wide angle lens, telescope lens, 5x zoom lens. I'm not sure what will be the 4th one is, okay? But they are going to be up to 48 megapixel to 108 megapixel on the main camera lens. Okay. So, and then at the front of the camera, it's going to be 1 pinch hole. Okay, not 2 camera lens as S10 Plus, only 1 like a Note 10 Plus. Okay. According to the rumor, according to the source, they are giving out 5,000 milliamps for the battery for the S11 Pro. Okay, I'm not sure about the other S11 or S11 Plus, but 11 Pro is going to be 5,000 milliamps. Okay. In addition, they're going to have 2 fingerprints on the screen. So right now, you know there's going to be 1 fingerprint on the screen, right? They're going to do 2 fingerprints now. So let's just say for some apps like credit cards, like a payment like PayPal, you need to have 2 fingerprints to verify who you are to create more securities for that phone. In addition, the most important thing is what are the storage, okay? So for the storage size for the S11, they are saying that it's going to give 2 storage, 128 gig or 512 gigabyte. On the other hand, for the S11 Pro and Plus, it's going to be 128, 512, and 1 terabyte. Okay, 1 TB storage size, and all of them going to come with the 12 gig RAM. I'm not sure is this true or not, but all of them going to come with 12 gig RAM. So I'm not sure. So we have to wait for more confirmations. Okay, so that means the new S11 Pro and the Plus, the bigger size one, it's gonna be 128 gig, 512 gig, and then 256 gig and 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte, which is pretty cool. Okay, so these are the most recent information that I heard from the source. Subscribe my channel, share this video, and have a nice day. All right, bye bye, peace out.